Hello guys, this is Nidmist and today's video is going to be an unboxing video of the latest Beyblade, or you can say not the latest one, I would say latest is something different. The first Beyblade, the first Beyblade of Beyblade was Dynamite Battle, which is Dynamite Belial. I can be wrong with the pronunciation, so please forgive me because I am not in touch with the series, because the series is a real disaster. Don't get me wrong, the series is not a disaster for kids. It's great for kids, showing all the friendship and bonding kind of things, but for grown-ups it's going to be a really boring series. I really thought of the series as something great when it started and I thought I would try, but the thing is it didn't work out. Man, like, who gives their own 3D printing machine and all to the opponent to create a new Beyblade just so that we can be friends with that new guy? I don't know. And that butler one who resembles Alfred from Batman is like that only. He's quite annoying. I am fine with him going to like extent of helping Ranjiro and in turn making Ranjiro friends of Bell, but I don't just buy that things. But anyways, let's just unbox this Beyblade instead of ripping open the packages as and always me can find some solution to it. No, there is no solution. There is no solution to that. But anyways, I tried to find a solution rather than just tearing the package. But yeah, that's the way. So yes, you might be wondering why is the box like this outside. So this happens when the sellers decide to ship in a economical way. That's where they flatten up everything rather than the entire box taking up space. This takes a lot less space, so that is why the box is like this, flattened out. So this is Beyblade Dynamite Battle, and I have been told that this Beyblade when held in hand is pretty premium kind of a thing. So we'll just examine that now itself. You can see the few parts. This might be the core, the layer, the force disc maybe, or I don't know what disc they say here, and the driver then. So okay, this is the infamous low mode and this is the high mode. Okay. So I am not that accustomed to this, so few of the unboxings would be pretty damn right stupid for me. I am being blunt about it because I have no idea. Again, they are back to 3 main parts, and then the layer will be, or you can say the layer only. The layer would be then subdivided into different parts. So that's pretty common. It's getting back to GT only. But I have been told that there is substantial difference between the weights of this Beyblades and the weights of GT. The GT had very flimsy kind of weights where they have a lot of substance to them. So let's see. That's all about the box. You can see. Okay, yes, this is the thing where the Belial Beyblade gets upgrade with I believe red is Spriggan, blue is Valkyrie, and orange or yellow is I remember Fafnir. Yellow is Fafnir. So yeah, pretty cool. The protagonist Beyblade is getting a fuse of other talented Beyblades. It's basically like when Dragoon MSUV was formed, but a very dull kind of a version here, because Dragoon MSUV was formed to save the world with the hopes and powers of all the Blade Breakers and the Sacred Beasts. But anyways, that's past and we are never going to see all those things. Actually, I have been told a lot about Beyblade, the first generation as well, and I'm definitely thinking of making a video for that as well. Many of you would be really shocked if the tape comes out. Yes. So the tape is out, the Beyblade. So let's take a look at the instruction manual, if anything has been changed. Maybe, I don't know. I seriously haven't been in touch with Beyblade, and I have been told by many people that it's not good for me to continue doing this. So I thought I would start collecting for my own sake as well. So here you can see it's a pamphlet. The quality has degraded. It's been long time the quality is degraded. One of the attack stamina and all, I think so. whosoever it is, but it's cool. Cyclone Ragnarok already being released, so I'm pretty damn late actually, but anyways, I just feel okay, the high and low mode, that's going to be a disaster finding out. Sticker sheets are pretty cool, and yeah, I'm not kidding, I'm not going to look at the instruction manuals, forget it. I was just joking at the time when I said that I would be going through the instruction manuals. Okay, I just did that in a single go, and we have all the 3 parts out here. Wow, the disc is I don't know, it's like a tornado which is rising, or if it's upside down then the tornado which is declining. But anyways, the disc, I don't know, at this point I can only say the disc looks cool so that I don't stammer in the video. Rest I have zero details about. It's a 3-star disc, so no luck there. I don't know why, but yeah, it feels sad when we get, oh damn, the spring is definitely tight compared to the previous gen, maybe. Okay, is this, no, that's not rotating. It was so smooth, I thought it's free spinning. But this is a rubber tip with small flat kind of a, I don't know what to call it, a stick, small flat stick, and that's it. So let's open it. Okay, the mechanism is like GT only, so yeah, we are very familiar with all these things. Let's not remove it immediately, just let's wait first. So this is the weight of the Beyblade. It's not at all flimsy actually. Yeah, it's got a lot of substance to it. It's the chip actually, I would say, the GT chip. Compared to the GT chip, this is the chip here, and the weights here are, wow, okay, it's like a entire kind of a ring around the layer. So this is one way to put it, and the other way would be, no, I'm stupid if I'm trying to find it out now. Yeah, so I won't be going for that now. Let's try to first put this back. I just hope it's not going to be like the Nightmare unboxings. Nightmare Longinus unboxings, if you haven't seen already, definitely go check out. Just type Nightmare Longinus and Snidmist, you would get that unboxing. It's pretty hilarious. Yes, I'm back. Actually, my storage space just went out. It gave up on me basically. So as I was saying, yup, the Beyblade, I don't know why, but it's not like a Valkyrie. It has that 3 kind of wing design, but it's not like Valkyrie. The Beyblade is definitely cool, I would say. From the sides also, finally they have, I cannot explain the concept here, or you can say the words, with words I cannot explain it, but it feels like the Beyblade is a complete one. It's filled up, not like a flimsy kind of a thing, where the previous Beyblade Burst Beyblades were quite flimsy, and I don't know, they used to feel like the driver is just one small stick down below and all the weight is concentrated at the top part. But it's not like that anymore. It's like one heavy chunk of a Beyblade. I really like the design, I definitely do. Stickers and all, definitely I will apply, and then yeah, we will have test spins and battles as well. So yes, let's try. I don't know, I hope right now, as I have gained faith from all my subscribers and all, so you guys can bear with me when I try to discover the high mode, right? So please bear with me. I would just try it out once on screen itself without looking at the manual. I know it's pretty stupid to not look at the manual. Should I? Okay, I should. Let's see. So this would be the low mode, and shit, not making any sense. Okay, let's try. Let's just rotate it. No, it just came in the same position like before. Does it go in like this? No. Oh shit. Yeah, I did figure it out. Yes, that's it. I just hope I did. No, I didn't. So maybe if it goes like this and yeah, instruction manuals required. Even though it's Japanese, it helps a lot. So where is the... Okay, that's not the important part. Where is it? Damn it. Oh, I have lost faith in my Beyblading skills lately because of all these new gimmicks. So just a second, guys. This was the first way to put it, right? Yeah, this was how it was earlier. And then the chip on top. And it used to lock like this. And then this was the Beyblade part, and yes, fine. Okay, so let's look at this one. It is basically not making any sense, but let's try. The same way from up now. Did I just do it? No. Okay, I will be back in 2 minutes. Yes guys, I am back. So yes, it took a lot of reading, but yeah, in more or less 2 minutes I definitely did figure it out, what is high mode and what is low mode. So first of all, let's say this is your DB layer, or you can say just the layer. You have two ways to put this. One is this way, where you put it on top, and then the second is from the bottom. You can do it the one way. So what you do is, when you put this from the bottom and when you insert your core and then you close it, if you see, the teeth have basically now went a bit inside. So it's not here at the lining with respect to the armor, but it's quite inside. So now when I put my driver and all together, it's going to be a bit shorter. And similarly, now if I remove everything like this and open it up and I put this other way around here like this, now the chip would basically, yep, just let me properly unlock it. Yeah, basically go from bottom like this inside and then lock in place. This one is a pretty tight one actually, I don't know why, but now as you can see, the teeth have come out, and that would definitely increase the height, right? It's plain common sense. Yep, and that has increased the height of the Beyblade in the center. You can see so much gap is there. So this would help in getting the other Beyblade stuck here. So that's quite a cool gimmick, I would say, and really pathetic from my side that I required so much time to figure it out. But I'm really sorry, and definitely would try to improve in the future unboxings of Beyblade Burst Dynamite Battle and try to provide you with all the knowledge like before. So definitely we would be doing some awesome combos and all. Don't go off the screen, you idiot. Okay, we would do some awesome combos from this Beyblade, and definitely do some battles also, because I have updated my sparking. This guy never learns, right? Okay, there it is. So that stickers, and see you guys in the next video. Till the time, take care guys, and bye bye.